how to fix Litmatch device banned. If your Litmatch device or your account has been banned or restricted, and after that if you can't log in, then you can just simply go with appeal or contact your support team of your Litmatch. Go with your Litmatch application. If you are being able to log in, then you just need to simply go with login. If you are able to log in, then go to your profile, which will be on the bottom. Now once you're on your profile, you need to go with settings, which will be on the top right. Tap on your settings. From here, you need to tap on Help Center. Once you tap on Help Center, you need to go with Report My Problems, which will be on the first. Then tap on Report My Problems again, which will be on the bottom. And here, you need to type in or select others and then go with evidence screenshot if you want to, then evidence screen recording, and describe your problem. You need to write that my account has been banned or I'm not being able to use, so please help me with that. And after that, you can also enter your contact information, enter your email or your phone number, and submit. After submitting, the problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.